For the last week, each night around midnight, while sitting on my backyard patio, enjoying the glow of the faraway stars, I witnessed unusually heavy traffic from the local military Air Force base. Most of the times, only a few fighter jets can be seen returning to base from the desert gunnery range in the classic Vic formation. However, for 4 days, the stillness of the midnight sky was shattered by the roar of over 35 aircraft returning home. But not only were there fighter jets in formation, but heavies like the KC-135 Stratotanker, the KC-46 Pegasus, and AWACS aircraft were seen. I even thought that I detected the massive swept wings of a B-52H, but I wasn't sure. Clearly, there was a big exercise in progress. On the 5th day, at dusk, the roar of jet engines returned, but this time the planes were heading in all points of the compass. The exercise was over, and aircraft from other bases were returning home. This time I could definitely see 2 B-52s heading north. An assortment of fighter jets was heading in other directions, but 2 in particular put on a show with afterburners in full glow. The prize, however, was catching a glimpse of a B-2 bomber heading into the sunset. Excuse the poor video, because in haste I could only grab my cell phone. I salute those highly trained, fearless men and women of the United States Air Force who have dedicated themselves to keeping America safe and free, both pilots and ground crews.